Hi everyone, my name is Allison, Princess of the Desert, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video because we are going to be unboxing my BreyerFest celebration horse, Bravour 54. So it is the year 2023. I'm sure by now you know how to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, a thumbs down, but for now, let's get on with the video. Some things are different today because I'm trying a new filming setup, which I'm kind of like, I wanted to see the Breyers in the back, but my head is kind of blocking them, so I'll figure it out. And also, if you can hear like background noise, I have the fan going. It is Arizona in July. We're in the triple digits, just trying to stay cool. Bravour literally arrived this morning, so I have not even taken him out of his box yet, like out of the shipping box yet. So we will see what we've got. We've got paper, and here is Bravour 54. This sculpt is bigger than I thought it was going to be. For some reason, I don't know why everyone else's on video looked so much smaller. Mine looks to be pretty good as far as like mistakes. I can't really tell. Box is cool. We've got wagon wheels. And then the back of it about his, he does combined driving. Some nice pictures and photos on the back. So while I get him out of the box, I wanted to ask what you thought of the theme this year. Did you like the theme or just kind of like, personally for me, the whole driving forward, from an educational standpoint, I did like the theme. I like learning things, but I really wasn't that excited about this year's theme, mostly because, and the same thing happened last year, kind of. I mean, inadvertently last year, but for me, I have difficulty focusing on so many horses that all do the same thing. Like last year with the German theme, there was so many dressage horses and so many sport horses, and I just kind of got like, my brain got lost, it got distracted. I'm like, oh, it's just, there's too many characters that all do the same thing. I can't distinguish them very well. So the same thing kind of happened this year. There's so many driving horses and they're really pretty, they're really cool, but you all do driving. It's easier for me to like really get with it when there's not only different horses, but they do different sports and things that they're special at. And so it was just kind of an overload of too many driving horses. The same as last year for me was too many sport horses. BreyerFest 2021. Horse of a different color was my favorite just because I found all the different colors, different guest horses they had was just great to me. I really love that theme. Celtic Fling was good too, it really was. Even though it had its issues because it was the first virtual one they'd done. So anyway, rambling aside, I'm interested in the 2024 theme because I feel like there's just more possibilities for guest horses, and just I think my brain will do a little bit better with that. Got Bravour. I'm going to take him out of the packaging and I will be right back. All right, so here we have Bravour 54. His ribbon is cool. I really like the ribbon. This is really weird to have, what is this, the old Tricaner mold? This is funny. I have very few vintage type of molds in my collection. And so this is kind of funny. He's got a funny face. That vintage, I'm a vintage Breyer type of face. He's cool. I like the tail. I like big chunky tails. My celebration horse, yeah, he's actually in really good condition for a celebration horse. I just can't get over the vintage sculpt. So there is Mr. Bravour 54. So for comparison's sake, I have Nicholas from last year here. And they are actually incredibly similar. It's just Bravour is a lot bigger. Body shape is similar, the head is similar. Yeah. Bravour is a bigger version of Nicholas. He is a fun guy though. Okay, so here we have Bravour. He is a cute model, don't get me wrong. He is cute. He's just not a celebration model that I'm just, super crazy about. But he is cool. And as I said, here is Nicholas from last year. So you know what? These two guys give me buddies. They're in my collection. 2022 and 2023. The ribbon is really cool. I love when Breyer just gives like just a little kind of detailed accessory. I'm not really into halters or accessories, but occasionally when I do receive one, it is fun to, you know, just because they do such a good job with their Breyer accessories. All right, so I think that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I do have my special runs and a limited edition on their way, though that's probably not going to show up until next month. So I will be back to show you that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you next time. Bye!